Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth puzzle. The fourth puzzle in the puzzle page of today's newspaper on Saturday, April the 22nd, 2023. I've already solved 3 puzzles. The 2-star Sudoku, well, it's indicated with 3 stars. The killer Sudoku and the binary puzzle. This one, the last one, is a tectonic number 6320. Let me mark this 6320. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard one says always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. See, only 2 single boxes, always a 1. Let me put the 1 there. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Here dual box, there dual box, and here dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Here I can fill those numbers because this box can be a 1, so the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Here also 1 and a 2. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Do we have here in this puzzle triple boxes here? We have here a triple box, contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. The 2 and the 3 could be everywhere. Yeah. 2 and a 3. Okay. Wait a moment. Sorry for the interruption. When you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or 5. Okay. Do we have here triple boxes? Quarter boxes. No quarter box in this puzzle. That means the next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes here. This one is rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about the Z or the S construction? Let me draw the Z or the S construction. When you see the Z or an S construction, remember. By the way, if you flip this, you will get the Z. If you mirror this, you will get the Z. When you have the Z construction or the S construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Only one as a construction. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here then. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. And those are, I overlooked this shape, the second shape. This box has the same number as that box, so we have 3 of this kind of shape. Yeah, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yeah, we have here 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, only 3 of them. And why you need to recognize those shapes, that's the question. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box is reserved for the 4 and the 5. Okay. Then. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3. It should be there, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this triple box for number 2. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes await these 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there, and I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. Then. How about this box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, let me mark those. This one is connected with that box. Should be also 2 and a 4, but we already have a 2 there, so it can be 2 anymore. This box should be a 4. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 1 number left in this area for number 2. I think this box should be 2. Oh, of course. It's connected with that box, should be also 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5, let me mark those. 3 and the 5. These 2 boxes can be 3. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, we have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. We have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 2. That box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 there. So no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then. These 2 boxes can be 2. And that box can be 2. We have a 2 here. That means that 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 1 here because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So not the solution, place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Alright. Then I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. I think this box should be 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. These 3 boxes can be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this S construction for the number 3 and the 5. 3 and 5. Let me check. Well, cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. And this box is connected with that box. So 3 or the 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Let me mark those. 4 and 5. This box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. Alright. The difficult part now. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. What's happening? Well, this box can be a 4. So the 4 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box. So we also 3. 1 box left in this area for number 5. And the last 2 numbers, the 3 and the 5. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. 12 minutes. Well, definitely a 1 stop. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright. Thank you for watching. Have a great and fantastic Saturday. We will meet again tomorrow on Sunday. Until then, bye-bye for now.